the result of strategy and corporate inventiveness, the result of insight and leadership, the result of organization and diligence. The result is quality. For our companies, this process to achieve quality is a reflection of our quest for understanding and perfection. To perform our work consistently, we must commit to strengthening our corporate culture. The components of quality come together as an architecture for excellence. It takes hard work, requiring people to focus on a common goal for mutual benefit. The benefit of functioning with the knowledge of a firm commitment by executive management, strengthening the relationships among employees, establishing the opportunity for future growth, and making a direct impact on the bottom line. Here is an example of how a company became transformed, not just for the short-term benefits of implementing a quality program, but for establishing a new way of functioning to meet the challenges of the future.
Then there are the new entrant carriers. Say what you will about Reno and the other new guys, but remember, they're able to buy cheap airplanes, get experienced airline labor at much lower rates, and offer our product at a considerably lower price. And we're going to see more of them. The bottom line is that these competitors are up and flying, ready and eager to grab our customers. And since they can do it a lot cheaper than we can, and since we must match whatever fares they charge, it's very tough for us to make any money. And even when we do make money, we'll make so little that we simply can't justify new airline investments. As much as we would like to make them, it just wouldn't be worthwhile.
There is an in-flight interactive guide located in the seatback pocket in front of you.
Here's your sneak preview of these new enhancements specifically designed for customer comfort and flight attendant convenience. Let's begin with the Matsushita 2000E in-flight entertainment system, also known as the MASS entertainment system. This interactive cabin environment offers the ultimate in user customized services. It's designed to be easy to operate for both the passenger and cabin crew.
From the state capitol in Austin, this is a special Time Warner Cable Community Connection.
I'm Beth Wilson. With the 80th legislative session underway, many issues have been brought to the forefront, including public schools, more affordable health care, laws to protect children. State Representative Paula Hightower-Pearson joins us to talk about several of those issues. It's nice to have you back with us.
Thank you, Beth. It's good to be here.
Well, I know one of the reasons that you ran is for the children. Children have always been a big part of your life. You're a mother, you're a grandmother, and of course you worked in an industry that does protect children. Let's begin with CHIP. You'd like to see CHIP restored, wouldn't you?
Very much, very much. That is why I ran for office, as a voice for those children that cannot vote. They don't have a vote. And that was one of the main reasons that I stepped up. I think that CHIP does need to be restored. If we cannot give our children health care and education, then that's just wrong. We're better than that. The state is better than that, and Texans deserve better.
A change is coming. Have you heard about ACS?
Nope, not a thing. No, not a word.
Actually, I haven't heard a whole lot.
Well, we're going to fix that right now. But first, if you could change just one thing about the current passenger check-in system, what would it be?
I just get to change one thing?
Everything.
Okay, we hear you. But you've got to remember, NCI is over 25 years old, and the airline business has changed. More destinations, more fares, more everything. So what changes would you really like to see in the system?
In each of us, there is a curiosity that sparks our imagination, a sense of exploration that carries us to ancient lands and far-off sunsets. Let Renaissance Cruises take you there, to the magical Greek Isles, aboard Renaissance Cruises Aegean 1. Classic and graceful, the Aegean One and your entire vacation experience are uniquely shaped for your comfort and enjoyment in the exacting spirit of Renaissance cruises. Relax as you set sail for one of the most breathtakingly beautiful places on Earth, destinations rich with culture.
At the well site, there are a number of procedures that are specific to TCP and LNP operations. But one thing is the same, regardless of whether the operation is TCP or LNP. Before you begin operations, the Halliburton job supervisor must conduct a safety meeting.
Attendance at this meeting is mandatory for all Halliburton personnel and all other involved well site personnel to make sure everyone understands the job sequence. Post appropriate warning signs at all well site entrances, and be sure to check all around the well site and remove any hazards that may come into play during explosive operations.